Internet of Things.
So IoT nothing but
Internet of Things.
so Internet of Things. So with the help of Internet of Things, so what we can do?
You can control.
Is it any helpful for the humans or
Yes.
for others? So if it is helpful means how we can use as application wise in the real time. Can anyone have any idea? Any example?
You can control anything over internet.
We can
Control anything over the internet.
we can control from the internet also. Other than then your background is semester 4 semester. Okay, so nowadays what happening? So every industry, whatever the industries are there, all are trying to move towards advanced technology. Advanced technology, so like IoT. Okay, so if you observe in Mangalore, so we have a lot of industries. Okay, manufacturing industries, chemical industries, okay, oil and gas, pharma industries. Okay, so like we have different kind of industries. Okay, so now every industry requires an efficiency, more efficiency and accuracy, and within them they need to produce the production. Okay, so main thing of the Internet of Things is, so wherever they are seeing, so they need to know about the industry status. Okay, industry status nothing but so what happened in present. Okay, so what happened in present. Okay, and how we need to monitor the entire industry status. Okay, so now whenever what are the devices we have in industry. Okay, so like consider if you have any machinery. Okay, any machinery nothing but any motor, okay, arc system or control system. Okay, so they want to every day they want to control and monitor the kind of operating systems. Okay, and they need to update, they need to get the updates every day. Okay, so every time they humans cannot enter, humans cannot go near the machines and they cannot take the status every day. Okay, so wherever they are sitting, they want to get the updates of the machinery. So this will be possible. So whenever we are interconnecting the hardware system, whatever we have in the with the internet. Okay, so with this platform of IoT, then we can get all the data, so we can monitor and we can control, we can access whatever the required data. Okay, so let's suppose any cement industry. Okay, so in that cement industry what happened? The production will be 24/7. Okay, so there is no break for the work in industry. So what happened? So every time they want to monitor. Okay, so that whatever the data they are collecting, they can directly monitor from the IoT platform. IoT platform altogether. Okay, so from that IoT platform only they can monitor the production status, machinery status. Okay, so how much generated and how much produces. Okay, so what type of product, okay, everything they can monitor from the IoT devices. Okay, so due to that what happens, and every industry is migrating towards the advanced technology. Okay, so in this lab we have software name called ThingWorx. Okay, ThingWorx which is helpful for the industries to whatever we discuss, okay, for monitoring, okay, for getting the details of machinery details, nothing but so how much production is generating. Okay, so what kind of problems occur, what is the remedy, every statement they will get to those. They monitor. Okay, so with the help of ThingWorx, so we can connect the industry devices to this ThingWorx platform. Okay, ThingWorx nothing but is a software. Okay, so in this lab we have two courses, so fundamentals of IoT and IoT modeling in ThingWorx. Okay, each course will be having one will be 50 hours and other will be 40 hours. Okay, so in this lab we will teach you. So now you know about the Arduino. Okay, we have some small kind of sensors like temperature sensors, distance measuring sensors, okay, ultrasonic sensors. Okay, so this sensor we are going to interconnecting with our platform, which is our ThingWorx platform. Okay, so that data, whatever the data we are generating through the sensors, we are collecting in our IoT platform. Okay, so but we don't know how to do these things. Okay, then here we will teach you that step by step how we are going to start from where we are starting, how we are going to interconnecting with this ThingWorx software. Okay, so each step by step we will learn this ThingWorx IoT, fundamentals of IoT as well as the model, both courses. Okay, so this is the main agenda of this IoT. Okay, so now here we have a for experiment nothing but for lab purpose. We have these kind of sensors. Once you are understanding how to get the data into your IoT platform, you just replacing these devices with our maintained device like PLC controllers, okay, any different controllers, whatever the controllers are using there in the industries, that data we can access into our ThinkWorks platform. Okay, so that is the main agenda of this IoT. Okay, so any doubts regarding? You got a clear idea so what we can do from IoT?
See this demo, this is the, what is this one? Anyone identify? The data is there? Huh?
Printer.
This is called a 3D printer. 3D printer. You can prepare any drawing in 3D model. You can take any CAD drawing from 3D model, and that on the drawing you can convert to the some STL format file, and then you can send to this printer. This is the process. After all, what happens? This one sent to this printer. This after that you can prepare what drawing you are giving. That drawing will be come to the output. How it is? You can see. Which purpose using this? This is the rapid product. Rapidly you are doing any one workplace you can prepare the rapidly. Why? Because in any automobile industries you are using so many components in there. Before that time, if you can prepare the component in the machine, it take more time. That's all. In this printer you can take within short time you can prepare the model. Within short time you can prepare the model and you can check the dimensions, how much strength is the arm, you can check it easily. And after that you can go to the what are the component you can do, after that you can do the component. Okay. It will works means how it works means it can, if you can give to the print to this machine. First of all you can build like a slice model, slice by slice you can prepare this one. Why? Because this is there are two materials is also is there. You see, there are two bottles are called support materials and two bottles are called and there's two are called support and two are called material. What are the component you are doing? This component. You see these components. These are the components they are making in this. Anyone you can make this place. Suppose you are placing this place. What happens? First of all, you can form one slice. After that, one slice. Inside, this is called the head. In this head, inside, some ultraviolet rays is there. That ultraviolet rays will be give some heat to the liquid. This is called the liquid rapid prototyping machine. Okay. Yeah. Or after that, suppose this is completed. Suppose this is finished. After what can you do? The material, the part will becomes like the output. After that, the bottom side support is there. If you can take outside of this component, the support also is there. If you can go to the processing unit and then whatever the support is there, that support you can remove some water pressure. You can see that one also. In this GraphCAD software, you can prepare the drawing and you can go to the printer. This printer. This is called Statsys company. The cost is above 30 lakhs. 30 to 50. This is the liquid prototype machine. milling machine, CNC milling machine. CNC milling machine. Nowadays, we are going usually mechanical students are only eligible for this opportunity. In CNC is what is the meaning of CNC is computer numerical control. Okay, computer numerical control. If you can, this machine can work by controlled by neuros and alphabets. These are controlled these are numbers alphabets are controlled by this machine. Okay. So first of all, you can make it tool part. Tools, what are the tools you can see? This is called the MCB. Okay? Main control unit. And then, if you give the any command in this one, if you can see, what I am saying is what this is in this CNC machine, there are two types, G codes and M codes is there. G codes is called geometrical codes and M codes is called machine codes. In this G codes and M codes, you can prepare a program and tool part, you can create a tool part. So, whatever the drawing is there, you can take the drawing and you can create a tool part. How it is? If you can make anyone, if you can make wow, this is advantages in making for
ಸೇಫ್ ಕೊಡ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೋ ಮೆಟಲ್ ಸೇಫ್ ಕೊಡ್ರೆ ಸೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ
some time and manpower and quality also. You can use the quality also in this machine.
metal
There are so many tools is there, PC tool and profiling tool, drilling, tapping, so many operations is there. All operations can be done in this machine. This machine is called the VF2 machine and the control is called fast control. Not only VF2, the control is fast control. This is also called made in USA. Okay. Whatever you can command people to do this in this work, you can automatically can work. Suppose if you are not a student or you can give a student on this. The student automatically starts. These machine are completely works on the whatever the commands you are giving, the command can be done. If you can come to the training of this machine and you are 50 hours in there in this machine, step by step I will go to the program, how to create a code part and what are the details, what are the elements, how to check the facing, finding the all are able to control. In your college, if you take the students in there, you can control your friends. Or any doubt you can ask me. If you have any doubt, can come to the pool on this side. See? And again come back. Okay. Now I am going to follow. completely washed. And both cuts allow the machine not runs.
So, what you know about automation?
Fluid.
So, task, whatever we have process, the process will be executing automated. Automated methods by giving the command to the control. Okay? So now we are in automation lab. So automation mainly is everybody all in this. Okay? There's nothing but only we discuss in every lab. Okay? Different like manufacturing industries. Okay? Cement industries, everything. Okay? If you observe that industries, all industries are using this kind of control. Okay, so this kind of control. Okay, so now if you see here, so here we have a PLC control. Okay, so this is called PLC. Okay, so PLC nothing but okay, just okay. Actually PLC nothing but a programmable logic control.
Control.
Okay, so this kind of controllers only we are using in industries for controlling or executing the process. Okay, so like the control system process or boiler temperature measuring. Okay, boiler temperatures or to go for any oil and gas systems. Okay, oil and gas industries. Okay, so there also the process will be going to be controlling automatically based on this kind of control. Okay, now here we have Siemens controller. Okay, Siemens controller and S7200. Okay, we have a 7200 controller. Okay, and software TA code. Okay, TA code is the totally integrated automation. Okay, so with the help of this software, we are going to configure these controllers. Okay, we are configuring these controllers. Okay, and for this controller, so we are giving the command. For giving the command for the controller element, it requires some language, some input. Okay, so that we are giving in the form of programming languages. This is called ladder language. Okay, here we are using and we are teaching also ladder language. Okay, this is programming language. Okay, we have different kind of programming languages, but here basically we can learn here only ladder language. Okay, so and we have another system. This is called PAC based multi-process threader. Okay, so by seeing this setup, what you are understanding? Do you have any idea? So what you are understanding by seeing this setup?
Heater. Water.
Okay, so by seeing this setup,
Water.
you understand this will be a small kind of a process. Suppose if you take an example as oil and gas. So in oil and gas, this is what I mean. There we have a number of pipe connections. Yeah, for moving sending the liquid from one tank to other tank or from one place to other place. Okay, so we are not directly saying, okay, liquid pipe connections. We are placing some devices or instruments. Okay, so same like that, here we have a control box as well as some sensors. Okay, for measuring flow rate. Flow rate is how much flow, how much liquid is flowing. Okay, whether it is going more high speed of flow rate or low speed flow rate. Okay, and with the help of control box, we can control the flow of the liquid. Okay, flow of the liquid, how much I want to release. Okay, how much I want to control. Okay, so this all devices will be interconnected with the PLC. Okay, interconnected with the PLC. With the help of PLC only, the process will be going to be automatically controlled. Okay, so these are the ones. If you observe here, it is based on batch process reactors. Okay, so these are the kind of you can understand on small units. It is nothing but some paint. Okay, here we have two containers. Okay, container one, container two, tank one and tank two. Okay, so the main same thing, from these two tanks, the water or liquid will be going to different tank, and then after moving to that tank, it is going to be mixed. Okay? After mixing for certain tank, then it is going to be releasing the product into container. Okay? So electricity also like that. Okay? We will be mixing with the different colors, we will get different paint color, and it will be going to pack into container of as per the size. Okay? So same method we can understand as an industry oriented process. Okay, now if you observe here, PLC based water level control one. Okay, and this is also stand on the application. So in your home we have a overhead tank.
Yes.
Overhead tank. So what you do?
Fill the
So
water.
you just turn on the pump, then motor will start, water will be pumped. Okay, and after water level is reaching to top level, what you do?
Off.
So we need to switch off, but we need to compulsory check your water level. Okay, without checking, you cannot identify whether water level is reaching to top level or not. Suppose if you are not observing what happened, the water will be flowing and water will be continuously flowing to outside. Because there we need to check manually. So once you come in here, so we have having low sensor and high sensor. Okay, once the water level is reaching to below, okay, at 0 level, then automatically sensor will sense and it will giving the command to controller. Controller will automatically switch on the pump. Then water will be filled. Okay, once the water level is reaching to top level, okay, the high level sensor will be sensing the water level automatically. Then it giving the command to controller. Controller will automatically turn on the pump. Then what happens? Water flow will stop. So automatically, no need to observe the manual. Okay, with the help of control. Now if you observe here, we have a hydraulic system. Okay, so hydraulic nothing but
Fluid.
hydraulics.
Fluid.
Have any idea? Hydraulics. So you know about the cranes.
Fluid mechanic.
So how much is working?
Oil is pushed.
So oil is nothing but that is called hydraulic system. Okay, so there also we have oil. Means through with the help of oil only the cylinders, whatever cylinders we have, the cylinders will be extended to plant. Okay, so and this whatever setup is there, this entire setup will be controlled with the help of PLC control. Okay, so it is already programmed. Okay, with the help of PLC program, the entire system will be controlled. Okay, like in the observing in the industry, like Coca-Cola. Okay, what happened? On the turbo system, the bottles will be automatically moved. Okay, there is no human power involved. Okay, just the waters are identified by the help of sensor. Then it is going for the next process. So how it is happening nothing but with the help of the controller. Okay, so you get once to understand how to write the programming, how to control the programming. So whatever the processes are there in English, so you can easily analyze, you can easily understand the real-time practical application. Okay, so one header. Basics of PLC, basics of SCADA, okay, and PLC based multiprocessor control system, okay, and gas power generation system, and industrial water level control system, okay, hydraulic system, and pneumatic system. Okay, these are the different courses are there in our but suppose they have a product, okay, have any product, okay, so product is have a diagram, suppose in industry product you want to design a product. You cannot directly design the products with the help of machines. Okay, first we need virtual product. Virtual product is first we need what kind of product we need to develop. So what is the design? What is the measurement? Everything we need. Okay. So once we are everything have a this all requirement, then we is going for the design. Design is nothing but use a software which is called Creo for design. Okay. Here we have the design software. Okay. In this software what we do, so we are already designing some products. So we upload in that way. So you just see the system. So what we do, so we are going to say some they already having some design. So first they are designing virtually the software. Okay. After designing everything, so then they will check the different analysis. Analysis is nothing but before going to real time, first they need to check the everything. Okay? Because we can directly implement the real time product. So I think you know about the car testing. Okay, in automobile industry, what happens after designing car, they will send the vehicle for the multiple time testing. Because so they will be having some certain rules and certain protocols. Okay, so after that only they will going to be releasing the product into market. Okay, same like that. Here in that software we are going to design any required design product. After that they will be test in virtual manner. Then they will convert this product into real. Okay, so there what is the software in class? So Creo for design. Okay, so Creo for design is a designing software. Mechanical. No, you design it. What is the name? So now you design. Okay, so AK-47 or something, you use some name. Okay, so whatever the ideas that we have a design. So with the help of this software, they will make different design. Okay. Reality lab. Okay. So reality lab. This is Impact is meeting. This is a server. Okay. We are using for this we are using software name is CreoView. CreoView software. Okay. So one thing. Compared to Indian road condition, German and Japan or any road condition is different. Correct?
Yes.
Different or same? Different. Okay. So this is purely mechanical lab. Mechanical or automobile aeronautical. Okay. So if you do that if you do any manufacturing in Germany, we can't use that same types in here. Okay. So we need to change as per our reality. Clear? We need to change as per reality. Okay. That means everyone between please PUBG. In PUBG, everyone will change the dresses and the caps, guns, everything and all. Okay. As per this, we can use this lab. Okay. As per condition, we can use this lab. Actually, this lab is fully closed with projector. We use the projector with system. Okay. We need three items. Only system. System is a software. We need install software. We need minimum RAM 32 GB. Minimum RAM 32 GB for this software. For Creo and all, Creo for this you are a product development is no. You give them. For that, you need minimum 8 GB RAM. Okay. For that, we need minimum 8 GB RAM. But for this, we need minimum 32 GB. Minimum 32 GB. Okay. And then iPad. iPad is the main server. We need to connect the software from this server to system. Okay. And then projector. See, this is gearbox. This is gearbox. So if we touch whichever part we touch, it will isolate. Correct? It will isolate. So that one we can change. And we can use it as 3D. Reach. Clear? Ready to see what? Okay.
ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ತುಂಬ
Take out this glass, 3D glass. This is 3D glass. Okay. Using this glass, we can change that what's like 3D glass. Okay. 3D glass, you know about 3D glass, top, bottom, front and back color. Okay. Easy. You study easy, no? So.
Engineering.
CAD.
CAD is studied 3D.
Yes, sir.
Front, bottom, side. From the base, we can use this one projector. Okay. That's it. My idea. This is very simple. Only we need to change using this software. We need to change as per our reality. We can't use in product design that Creo software. Okay. So as per our reality, we need to change by using this one. And we need to change any design at all. Okay. If German they do any design means that design only we use. But here we will change some torque value, efficiencies. That and all we will change as per our road conditions. And chassis side. You know about chassis?
Yes. ಗಾಡಿ ಚೇಸಿ
Bottom part.
ಗಾಡಿ ಬೆತ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೂಜಾ ಚೇಸಿ.
In our areas, more speed breakers is there.
ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಗಟ್ಲೆ
If you go in speed breakers, if you have passengers, 5 passengers, 6 passengers, if load capacity is high means the car will stop. So that time changes will affect speed breakers. So that and all we will check and then they will change. Okay. So this is reality. As per Indian conditions or as per German conditions. If you are German, you need to go to German as per German conditions. Okay. I do. You. Different lab. This is validation lab. Okay. We explained about that lab validation development lab. That is human design. Okay. Do you know anything about this? I will explain that what labs. That lab and this lab also I will explain. Do you know anything about design?
Design.
That is pure product design. This is validation. Validation. Okay. Okay, let me know some example. Everyone knows about cars, correct? Now we have so many brands: Volkswagen, Skoda, Benz, Maruti, Renault, Tata. Why we have so many cars? See, Hyundai Ara also, Hyundai Ara, Maruti Swift, Volkswagen Vinto, and then Renault Sunny. Everything is same type of car, correct?
Yes.
Everything is same type. Same BK says everything is same, correct? And why every car company Maruti releasing every year one car? Because Hyundai releasing every year new cars. See, if they have new car also means they will remodel the old car also. Swift they remodel solution. Swift they say they remodel solution design. And Hyundai they remodel Santro. Correct? Why they are doing this? Any idea?
Design is.
Huh?
In the old cars, if the faults are getting full, the next version.
Every cars are going unbelievable. Okay, that also okay.
Those are the good selling cars, and so that they need a new model.
Every car is good selling. Maruti also. See, in Karnataka, I saw so many Maruti cars. I am from Tamil Nadu. But here I am saw so many Maruti cars. Maruti Eco and all Tamil Nadu, no one will buy. But here Maruti Eco, I saw so many Maruti Eco cars. Any idea? Competition. You know about competition?
Yes.
See, if you compare with 30 years, before 30 years, 1980, 1990, we have only two types of cars. You know about Ambassador
Industries.
and then Fiat. Only there's two cars. If you want to buy, you need to go with Ambassador or Fiat. You don't have any choice. Now you have choice. Here, now you have choice. Your family, if you have a family 4 members, means your 4 members will choose 4 different types of cars. No one will choose single type or single car because now we have choice. So now we have so many brands, so many types. So do you think Ford is closed 2 years back? Ford company is closed. Why?
Selling is less. Sales is less.
Sales. Why no sales?
Because other competitors are very good.
The competitors because they didn't introduce new cars.
New car.
Last they introduced car is Ford EcoSport. Yeah. Last they introduced Ford EcoSport. That is 2019. And 2020 they didn't introduce new cars. So people forget. So no sales. Okay. So every year why all car companies are introducing new cars means to tell to people we are also in market. We are also in market to educate people. Okay, for that only they are doing they are introducing new cars. If any 1 year if they will not release a new car, next year they will close the company. Like Ford. Clear. See, Tata Indica, after that Tata Indica Mazda 5 years gap. But now they are releasing every year.
Non-car, yes.
Because competition. Tata also have competition. Okay. So that is the reason. For this main thing is design. See, old shift and new shift. What's the difference? Slight design. Same model, but front and back slight they will change. Clear?
Yes.
And Santro. For Hyundai, main car is Santro only. And now they change design. But same name, but change design. So design is very, very important. Not only mechanical, not only automobiles, but day-to-day life, from starting to ending, day-to-day life. Okay. Toothbrush, you are using toothbrush, plates, cycle, bus, car, your house, your dining table. Everyone is design. From starting to ending. From wake up to sleeping time of okay. So now design is most important. Okay. So that lab is for body design and development. Okay. So that only. So this is mechanical part. Screw jack. Okay. This is if you go in any mechanic shops for the bike service or car service, if you go means you will see the screw jack to lift the vehicle. Okay. Car water wash or bike water wash, anything or puncture shops. If you go means you saw this one. This is screw jack. Okay. And they are doing the product design drawings. Okay. And they are done chairs of that chair drawing also they are done. Okay. Chair drawing also you can done. Sorry, not only chair. You are using materials, household materials, living materials, everything you can use. Okay. And this one is validation. Okay. So validation means here we can use for that product design is clear for design. Here clear for analysis. Validation is analyzing, testing. Okay. For testing we can use this. Quality. You know about quality. Every product, not only car, every product we need to test the quality. Without quality we can't go with the product will not go to market. Okay. If quality is bad also, they will return the product. Okay. 15 years, 12 to 15 years back, Hyundai launched a car before i20.
name is Getz. GETZ.
It's,
Do you know about the car?
yes. It's,
How do you know? How do you know about the car?
it is from my friend's home.
Friends. That car is a failure model. Within 3 to 6 months they stop the product. Clear? After that only they launch i20. But Getz look, they launch i20. Same Getz but name only change. Indian product they change. What Getz failure is exhaust. Do you know about exhaust?
Exhaust.
That exhaust is main failure. Some persons they change the car, new car. They give a new car, new i20 car. Or some persons they change that exhaust in Getz car. Okay, but Getz and i20 is same with look, design is same, but they change the Indian part because of quality. So many customer complaints. If you buy the car today, 1 week after 1 week they are giving complaints about the car. So many customer complaints. So government ordered to revoke the car. So the company take the car to them and then they will change. Maximum 6 months only they do the production for the car. After that they stop the production. See, Hyundai still now they are producing new i10, i20 and RR okay, RR last early released and Hyundai Video 2 years back they released. But still now and i20 and all new i20 and all Grand i10 i20 and all they released 4 years back, 5 years back. But still now they are doing the production. Okay, but they stopped within 6 months. Okay, so because of quality is very very important. Not only mechanical automobile, all products. Okay, for mechanical we are using this software Neo for Analyst. Okay, for testing the quality. Only the analysis was stress, strain and all used.
Yes.
That part you can understand. Okay. For example, if you go and buy one TV, LED TV, they will give a warranty card. Correct? 5 years, 2 years, 6 years. If you buy fridge, they give 10 years. How will they give that exact years, 5 years?